Hello everyone and welcome back to Lily1YT. Today we are playing Squishy Magic. And I think that I only have about one to do today. But that is a-okay. Because I'm sure we can make it super special. Alright, so I think that we do a galaxy. Like a galaxy theme for this. Just like that. Okay, there's our galaxy. And now we're going to go to these nice, you know what? Let's look at patterns. Let's see. These sprinkles look nice. No. Let's see. What about some hearts? Meh. Some silver hearts. Swirls. Oh, the swirls are nice. Basic wavies. Galaxy basic. That looks kind of cool. You know what? Let's just look at neon shapes. Oh, wow. That's something. I say we stay with the galaxy basic. All right, there we go. Now, let's look for starry sky. That looks cool. Oh, would you look at that? We got a reward box. Would you look at that? We won a squishy. Sorry about that. I got an ad. Let's name this ice cream. Ice cream. Okay. And there is our ice cream. Now, where in the world is that little Xmas? Xmas puppy. Here we are. Alright. This is gonna be the world's cutest little puppy. But first, we have to do this. I say we do green details. Tie all the Christmas colors together. Just like that. And now we make this white, and we can make this hat red. And now we're going to go with some pastels. Oh, that's cute. Actually, since we can do little dyed ears, I say that we do like that. And now we can have a light little pink nose. And a light red tongue. And some red blush. No, I don't want a red dog. Okay. Just like that. Or maybe a red nose and pink blush. There. Aw, it's so cute. Alright, well, let's find something cute to put it on. Happy holidays. Alright, well, I think that I'm going to name this one. Sorry about that, another ad. Okay, so I say that we name this puppy Chrissy. Okay, this is little Chrissy for Christmas. Sorry about that, another ad. Well, I think that would complete this. Yeah, I would have to say that, I'm done. So let's go ahead and scroll back down to the bottom. And that'll be it today. So I love you guys. Hope to see you in the next episode. And remember, stay awesome.